Very good evening to one and all present here. Today's session is on PyTorch. So this course is about a PyTorch Python library, and it is applicable for all the learners, beginner to advanced. Let us try to understand first four terms which are being used in this world now. The first is artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and data science. Let us talk about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a program which has the ability to learn and reason like a human. So we are trying to develop a computer system which can reason, think, and take decision like a human brain. Such phenomenon is called artificial intelligence. Another term which is being used nowadays is machine learning. And machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. And here we talk about algorithms. So development of algorithm with the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. So here we talk about algorithms which will be developed upon data, and they will learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Another term is deep learning, which is a further subset of machine learning. And here the central term is neural network. So here we talk about a neural network which can learn from large amount of data, which can adapt to the environment, and then it can be used for reasoning and taking decisions, for prediction, classification also. It means artificial intelligence is an umbrella term. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence on which we are developing algorithms from data. And deep learning is a neural network which learns from large amount of data. Another term is data science, which is correlated term where it includes artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. And our focus is to extract the knowledge from large amount of data using statistical methods, mathematical methods, as well as the programming skill like Python, R, etc. So data science can be considered as a data mining, extraction of knowledge from large amount of data to facilitate decision making. Now, these terms are correlated, and we have also understood the difference between these four terms. When we talk about artificial intelligence in detail, then we are trying to study the computer system which try to attempt model and apply the intelligence of human mind in computer system. It can also be considered like a branch of computer engineering where we are trying to mimic the human brain or imitate the intelligent behavior. Another term which we learned is a machine learning, which is a subset of artificial intelligence. And if we look around us, then we are surrounded by human or machines. The capability of human is that they can learn from environment, and they can apply this knowledge for making decisions, whereas machines follows instructions. Now we are talking about that can machine learn from data, learn from experiences, and can think and reason like human brain. So machine learning is a field of where machine is learning from data. That's why it is called machine learning. So our objective is to make machine intelligent. Why is it so? Because the idea has come from a biology where we are trying to understand the human brain structure. Human brain is made up of neurons. There are trillions of neurons connected with each other. Every neuron is connected with 10,000 neurons. And because of this connectionist network, a human is able to do what it is doing. Similarly, we are also trying to develop a computer system where a lot of computing systems will be connected with each other, and they will be able to learn from data or experiences, and then they will be able to apply knowledge. Machine learning mathematically or can be defined in this way, that it is a subset of artificial intelligence where we are trying to develop an algorithm which allows a computer to learn from data and past experiences on their own. There are three key terms in machine learning. One is data, performance, and experience. So machine learns from data and the performance improves when experiences increases. So if any machine which is improving its performance from a data by increasing experience, we would say machine is learning. There is a difference between a traditional programming and machine learning. In traditional program, a computer system accepts data and program and produces output. Whereas in machine learning, the data and output means we are talking about the features and the labels are being given as an input, and the model or a function or a program becomes output of machine learning. If you look at the history of machine learning, then this term has been coined long back from 1940. So 1940 to 1970, artificial intelligence dominated. Then machine learning started from 1917 to till 2000. And nowadays, after 2000 in 21st century, we are talking about deep learning because advancement in computation, increment in storage space, and we have GPUs available for processing also. There are a lot of applications of machine learning, and we are going to learn during this course also using PyTorch library like image recognition, speech recognition, and many other applications of machine learning. There are three types of machine learning. Supervised machine learning, where we have a labeled data. When I say labeled data, we have an input as well as output. We have features and the target output also class label. Unsupervised machine learning, where we talk about clustering and association. It's an unlabeled data. The model is learned through the underlying structure of data. Another is a reinforcement learning, where agent learns from environment through a feedback process. Now let us try to understand what is the exact difference between machine learning and deep learning. Then machine learning, you look at this diagram, we have a object car, and the objective is to identify the object. So first of all, we need to identify the features of an object like a car, color, shape, dimension, and many other dimensional features. Then these features will be given as an input to the classification algorithm, such as decision tree, name base, KNN, clustering algorithms like k-means. Then this gives output whether it is a car or not. The difficult task is here to extract features from this input. Now what we can do here in deep learning, this feature extraction is omitted and it has become automated. So feature will be extracted by neural network automatically from an object, and then it will be able to classify. So feature extraction plus classification is merged. Now let us talk about PyTorch. So deep learning algorithms, machine learning algorithms is being implemented in Python by various libraries, such as Keras is a library which is used to implement machine learning algorithms and deep learning algorithms, such as neural network, convolutional neural network, recurrent neural network. TensorFlow is being used for that purpose. And another library which we are talking about is PyTorch. So what is a PyTorch? A PyTorch is defined as open source machine learning library for Python, similar to Keras and TensorFlow. PyTorch is a small part of computer software, which is based on Torch library. We can develop many applications using PyTorch. Mainly we use in natural language processing. PyTorch is being developed by Facebook Artificial Intelligence Research Group. Now, why PyTorch is preferred over Keras and TensorFlow? Because PyTorch provides support to work upon graphics processing unit, which is GPU, popularly known as. And why is it so? Because it works in tensor. Tensor is an n-dimensional array. and it makes computation very fast. So it accelerates the computation. It provides a deep learning neural network, and many other things can also be done by PyTorch. There are various features of PyTorch like simple interface, hybrid front end, distributed training, Python first, tools and libraries, native ONNX support, C++ front end, and cloud partners. Because of these features, PyTorch is being dominating now, and we are going to learn about PyTorch in detail in sessions to come. There are a lot of advantage of PyTorch over Keras and TensorFlow, like it is easy to debug and understand. It includes lot of layers as torch library. It includes lot of loss functions like binary cross entropy, categorical cross entropy, log functions, and it is actually extension of NumPy. Like we also use SciPy and other libraries. So this is all about introduction of PyTorch. In detail, we will learn in next session. Thank you very much for attending this session.